Once, three friends were having food at a Bhandara. That is a community feast where free meal is served to the people. While eating, the first friend said, "I wish I too someday be able to organize such a Bhandara or a community feast myself, but I don't have enough money for it." On this, the second friend said, "Yes, even before we get our salary, there is a long list of bills pending needed to be paid. How can we save money to organize such a community feast?" Adding to this, the third friend said, "True, our expenses are so much that it's not possible for us to save anything. But if you still wish to organize a community feast, let's go to Gautam Buddha and ask for a solution. He is the only one who has all the answers for any problem." So they went to Gautam Buddha and told him everything. Listening to them, Buddha said, "Son, to organize a Bhandara or a community feast, you don't need any money. All you need is your good intention, that's all." The three friends were totally surprised and looked at Buddha with curiosity. Buddha smiled and said, "Son, there are many ways to do it. I'll explain you how. Take 5-10 grams of flour daily and keep it at a place where you see ants. You will see that many ants will come and eat it happily, and thus Bhandara is organized. Likewise, take some grains of rice and lentils and scatter it on your roof. Also put a bowl filled with water on your roof. You will see that many birds and pigeons will come and eat it, and thus Bhandara is organized. Also, you can feed bread to cows, dogs and other animals. Provide water for them outside your house, and again Bhandara is organized. You know, God has arranged food for all living beings. If you make any arrangement of food for others, that too happens by the God's will." Listening to this, all the three friends were happy and satisfied, as they had found not one but many ways to organize Bhandara. You see, in your life, every creature is made by God, and it is a divine act to give food to the needy and give selfless service for public welfare. Bhandara, or the concept of communal meal, is served to all people regardless of their social or economic status, and it symbolizes the equality and unity of all human beings. It has been adopted by many all around the world, and it is often regarded as one of the best ways of worshipping the Almighty God and sharing meals with people from all walks of life. Please do comment below if you have ever given your selfless service in any such Bhandara or community feast before. This is Just Do It Motivation. Thanks for watching and stay motivated. So